Why, hello there, ladies and gentlemen. It's me, Franklin Douglas. He's somebody of mystery. That with TarverAcademy.com, and I want to teach you some math. So let's learn. Or what do I say? Oh yeah, get your learn on, something like that. I don't know. That's dumb. Okay, so the problem is solve these two equations, and they give you a bunch of coordinates. That seems crazy. All right, give it your best shot. Try something. Pause this, and then resume, and I'll show you what to do. Ready? Go. Wow, that was quick. I'm so proud of you. Okay, so let's take a look. Whenever they say solve these two, these are equations of lines. They're giving you two lines, like on a coordinate plane, which I have a graph paper. So you've got your X, you've got your Y, and let's say like one line's here, one line's here. Whenever they say solve, that means they want to know what coordinate are these two lines intersecting. Like that's what they want to know. So just don't be confused when you see solve, because it's just like, what? And what about solving? There's just like a thing. Well, that's what it wants to know, is like where these two lines cross. Okay, and there's a bunch of ways to do it. There's elimination, substitution, blah, blah, blah. I think the easiest way with how they set this up is going to be elimination, because, well, it's just really super easy if you're using elimination. So we've got 2x plus 3y equals 4. I'm just rewriting the problems. And then 3x minus 3y equals negative 9. Okay, with elimination, what you do is you find your x's and your y's, and you get one to where it's like the opposite of the other. So like 2 and negative 2, or 3 and negative 3, etc., or 10 and negative 10. You want them to be like, not, I say opposites, they're not technically opposites, but like you want to get the positive and the negative version of the same number, which is kind of cool. And to do that, you would like multiply, like if you were like, oh, I got to get these two where they're the same, you'd multiply the top by like negative 3 and everything would be multiplied, to multiply the bottom by like 2. We don't have to do that because they actually like, what's what they call, they threw up a softball. What is this saying? They alley-ooped us. How's that? That's better. I like basketball. So they alley-ooped us. They've already given us two complete opposite numbers here. We've got a positive 3 and a negative 3. So what that'll do is when I add those two together, because I'm adding the top and the bottom together, that's going to cancel out. So it's already eliminated. That's why they call it elimination, which I've got a great video on how to do elimination. Just like search Tyler Tarver solving by elimination. All right, so we add them together. So that's 2 plus 3 is 5x. No, a problem, like a part where kids always mess up, is they add these x's together. Don't do that. It's addition. You just add the numbers. Okay, the x's stay the same. It's a variable. All right, if you were multiplying, then that would increase. It'd be like x squared, but you're not, so don't do that. Equals, and then 4 plus negative 9 is negative 5. We got to solve it, so we got to divide. Since it's 5 times x, we divide both sides by 5. X equals negative 1. Okay, now, right off the bat, I can get my answer, can't I? Because there's only one of these coordinates that has x at negative 1. So it's not this one, it's not this one, it's not this one. Spoiler alert, it's B. If you put B, guess what? You're the best. Okay, but I want to plug it back in and make sure I got it correct, okay? Because I want to make sure that's 2. So I'm going to take either of my equations. I'm going to take the top one. It's pretty. 2x plus 3y equals 4. And I'm going to plug this in for x. So 2 times negative 1 plus 3y equals 4. And then that's going to be negative 2 because I'm multiplying them, plus 3y equals, did I say negative 4? I meant just regular 4. 4. I'm going to add 2 to that side so I can get rid of it. But boy, you're gone. 3y equals 6. And then divide by 3, y equals 2. I feel a lot better about my answer. I feel like I got it right. Well, I know math. I'm certified to teach in the state of Arkansas for mathematics. So, yeah, I feel good about it. I hope you learned something today. If you could, number 1, please subscribe to the channel. That helps tremendously, and tell other people to subscribe because that's just tremendous. Okay, TarverAcademy.com has math videos out the wazoo. Got that on Instagram action, and then also my personal Instagram. Check it out. Why not? Show me some love. I think you're great. I'll say, hey, you're great. Whatevs. Boy. Hey. It's me, Sonic the Hedgehog. I want to let you know that if you click that little circle to subscribe, then we're going to send you $2 million in the mail. You just got to go to the bank and pay for it. Subscribe. I don't